Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Ford EcoSport. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 3-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a leather steering wheel, heated seats, power moonroof, and power windows. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.